Yo, 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 yo. What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. So the day has finally come. I'm doing a series called The Carbon Project. Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. Yeah. This vlog was supposed to be like a normal vlog, like a regular motor vlog, but it hit me. I said, bro, this vlog was rooted in so much secrecy and so top secret that my wife and my baby, shout out Taco, had no clue about any of these things or these projects that was coming in mind. Okay, there comes a time in every biker's life where he gets to the point where he wants to sell his motorcycle. It's super frustrating, and it kind of, I got to the point where, man, I done did everything on this motorcycle that I could possibly do, but I didn't. There was still more to come. So to start this vlog off, I have to start it from the freaking beginning. That will show you how I got to where I'm at. So as always, my beautiful people, please buckle up and get ready for this journey, because we're going on it together. Well, I wish I could tell you I was outside being all extra majestic and legendary, and it just hit me in the face like a pound of bricks, but it didn't. It didn't work out like that. I was at home, scrolling down on my Instagram, like most days, just relaxing, checking out the content on my page. When out of nowhere, boom, I see a carbon fiber S1000. I said, oh my god, this carbon fiber bike is giving me all the goodness I need in this world. It looks amazing. It's like almost like superhero. It's doing something. And as I looked and I scrolled and I clicked and I checked out more and more of the page, I realized it was my good buddy Ray CBR 1000. He just got an S1000. It is a magical bike. Oh my god, I was like, wait a second. I am actually going crazy about a S1000 carbon fiber. It wasn't the fact that it was an S1000, it was the fact that it was carbon fiber that made me be like, wait a second here. I can do that too. I can make me a carbon fiber fz09. I can change my whole bike around and give it something that I never had before. Then boom, hit me like a ton of bricks. Well, not a ton of bricks, but it turned into like a superhero type of deal. Believe it or not, I've actually been here before. Last year, the same time last year, I did a motor vlog called Old Bike versus New Bike, where I described, how you feel about having your old bike versus the new bikes that's coming out. And at that time, I felt the same way I felt now. Like, oh man, I should probably sell my bike. Now, the fact is, I got on eBay and I said to myself, I said, yo, I can make me a carbon fiber bike. Let me find all my parts. I literally scrolled through eBay to find as many carbon parts as I could for my bike. So with that being said, this video is me doing my first carbon parts. Now, I'm not sponsored by eBay. eBay doesn't pay me nothing. I just know that's where I go to get all my parts. So before you be like, oh, eBay's paying this man, they're not. They don't even know I exist. I really thought it would be easy to find carbon parts on eBay, but it really wasn't. I put in carbon fiber and it just didn't pull up enough stuff. I mean, it is a naked bike, so this project is not going to be filled with like a ton of freaking carbon fiber things. And most of the stuff is really expensive. Well, now that it's Christmas time, maybe freaking Santa Claus can drop some money to my way, or like an unknown source could just like come out the way and be like, yo, Mr20west, here you go. Here's a whole bunch of money for your carbon fiber parts. But that's not how the world works, okay? Luckily, I got people like Dumungus who he contacted me and said he has someone on the inside who could get me a good price on carbon fiber wheels where it doesn't cost me $3,000 like the BTS carbon fiber 5.5 spoke wheels that goes for the fz09. It's so nice, really. And then there's Canon Customs, who is really doing a raffle giving away BTS wheels. So if you're not already subscribed or following this guy, make sure that you follow this guy on Instagram. Shout out to him. Yeah, I'm not good at raffles, so I didn't even try to waste my time and try to do that because I suck and my luck is terrible. But $3,000 for some wheels just seemed out of the ordinary. I can't really afford everything. I'm a little on the cheap side. That's probably why I'm on eBay, to be honest with you. It felt like I was climbing the side of a building and I couldn't really find the top of it, but I was definitely looking for the top of it. Well, this is the open box part. Well, you open up the package and you see what's in the package. So now that we passed that part, now we can go to the isotopic alcohol to clean what is dirty with microfiber cloths. That's that step. Make sure to really wipe down the area pretty good, man, because you gotta get all the dirt, all the grime, all the fingerprints, all the stuff off of this. Well, now it's time for the best part. Put the carbon fiber on, baby. Oh yeah, look how sleek it looks. It just got that shine, that ooh-wee carbon fiber shine. Well, now that we got all the stuff peeled and ready, stick it on. Make sure you push down pretty hard on the sides. You gotta remember, this carbon fiber gotta hold for a long time. It's gotta be on there forever. You want to adjust it, make sure you get all the buttons in there. All the buttons, not just some of the buttons, all the buttons. Let's not play around, baby. This is Carbon Fiber Project. Here to do the best of the best. This install's gotta be great, baby. So this is the part where I tested so you can see the lights on with it. Look at that. Look like magic, baby. You see where all those holes that are, of course that's from the instrument panel. Oh man, that looks amazing. All those lights. Alright, so good job with the install. Well, as always, it's your boy, it's Mr20west. I hope you got something out of this, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe, boy. Carbon Project is in the building. Yes, sir. It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.